If you are looking for some DIY inspiration, then I've got a fun shopping haul for you. I'm Jamie, the Crafty DIY guy. All right, you guys, now I've got a lot of stuff to show you, but I do want to tell you that this trip was kind of inspired by Wendy over at Kitty Street. Now, you guys may remember, and you saw the video before, where we kind of ended up doing a surprise Dollar Tree shopping haul together. And this was because we just ended up going to the same Dollar Tree. Well, turns out we had a lot in common. We've stayed in touch via text, so we did go and meet up at Hobby Lobby and kind of shop together. And this was going to be one of those kind of joint kind of shopping hauls like we did at the previous Dollar Tree video. But Wendy and I just like chatted the whole time, and we didn't really film a lot of content. So I'll have a few little overlay things here, and we'll be able to share some of that with you. But we had a good time, and we definitely got some good deals. Check this out. This was in the clearance section. $7.99. I think that this had an original glass globe on it, but I've got an idea for this one as well. Now, Dollar Tree just for me lately just hasn't been hitting it like it normally has for the creative side of things. So I have been kind of looking at, Hobby Lobby and Michael's and other things. So I promise you I am working on great content. Got my receipt here that I'm going to be scanning into my Fetch Rewards app. If you don't know about Fetch Rewards, definitely check that out. It's in the link down below. You can get some great deals. This one has a lot of paper kind of wrapped up in it. So I'm going to do that one last because this one has some things that I can grab out of it a little easier. Now check out this little sweet box. This was super cute. I loved the way I thought this could be a great DIY inspiration. It was on the clearance rack. It was $4.99. Love the detail here. It's plain on this side. It's got the hinges on the back. It was originally priced $10, so I'm okay with that, $5 savings there. And that's going to make a really fun DIY. You could very easily even take this lid off and turn this into a planter if you wanted to. So lots and lots of possibilities there. All right, the next items that I grabbed, and these are going to be for a summer kind of springtime wreath that I want to do. I love dragonflies and butterflies, and these little wooden dragonflies I thought were so cute. I bought 3 of them because I think that would be about the right size for the kind of springtime inspired wreath that I want to do. But again, super cute with these. Really love the detail on these, and their spring stuff, by the way, was 40% off, I believe. So these were regular price, $5.49. And then with the discount on top of those, that certainly made it very nice. This was also one that I grabbed. I don't think this was on sale. It's just an adorable little wood box. Got an idea for this as well for DIY. So I promise more are coming. And then this was actually kind of fun. They do have some adorable Easter stuff. I mean, not going to deny it, but I was thinking too, these are also things that I can use just for crafts in general. It doesn't have to be just Easter related. By the way, you see Otis's tail down there. He's excuse me, he's wandering around saying hi. Check out those little bird nests. Super cute to do with, again, could be a really fun kind of springtimey wreath that I thought could be interesting. These little baskets, I've done DIYs with these in the past, and I just didn't have any in my stash. So I wanted to grab some of those little Easter eggs, because, I mean, they would be beautiful in that little bird's nest that you saw. Look at Otis saying hi. And then, what else do I have in here? I have these little wood knobs. If you were paying attention to what I hauled just a minute ago, then you probably know what at least one of those knobs are gonna go for. This I thought was super sweet. I'm gonna find a little Easter basket or something for the table, and it's just this really sweet kind of felt Easter garland, but it's obviously smaller, and it's kind of perfect to go around a basket about that size. I have all kinds of baskets here at the house, so I'm pretty sure. In fact, I'm looking at one that I keep my blankets in under my, it's on my entertainment center, so I think that's actually where it's gonna go now that I'm looking at it. This was really cute, again, just for some spring DIYs. Again, I'm not really inspired lately from Dollar Tree, so I'm exploring and looking at different options. There's a great store called Daiso that I'm going to be exploring some in as well. It's kind of a Japanese Dollar Tree. I did a snack thing on my, it's on TikTok and it's on Facebook. So if you're not following me on either one of those, definitely check those out because I bought a bunch of Japanese snacks and did a tasting test there. So you'll be able to see those. These are super cute, just some dried flowers. This I thought would be fantastic for travel. You guys know that I do like to travel, and I thought that this little kind of neoprene case would be really cool for my AirPods to be able to put those down in there. And I mean, you could use this as a little change purse. There's all kinds of cute things that you can do with this. And you can wrap that around like a handle of a tote bag or something really, really easy. You could use a carabiner or something like that to also hook that onto your bag. So that was, by the way, available in a couple different colors, which I thought was kind of cool. All right, we'll open these. I'm having a hard time even remembering, honestly, what I got. I think I know what this is. Okay, so there's 3 of these. So let me please hold. let me unwrap these. Here's the other one. And then there should be one more, and then perfect. Okay, I know what's in here now. This is, again, I bought, it's so loud. I bought 3 of these because I do have a really cute DIY idea for those. They're kind of like little tulip cup, little votive holders. They're gonna be beautiful wherever you put them. I mean, honestly, you could just put them, I could put them on my fireplace just as they are, and they'd be fantastic for Easter. But, and I'm not gonna stack them, I'm just doing that so I don't drop them. But, I mean, I guess you could do that though if you wanted to. They'd be kind of cute stacked, right? If you were to do one like that and one like that. But again, I do have a DIY idea coming for these 3. So we will see what those are going to be. And then this, I'm kind of gyrating around because it makes me kind of think of, you know, some dancing or something. It's like a little disco ball. But what's cute about it is it's a little, like, little thing. It will hold things, trinkets and things. And I thought that this would just be really cute. Honestly, I think I'm just gonna put it on my end table in my house. And as you can see, I get a decent amount of sunlight in here now, and you can already see how sparkly this is. And I also know that once the light hits this in the right way and it starts reflecting light like up onto the ceiling and stuff, Otis is gonna lose his mind, which is a good thing. He's gonna happily lose his mind, and it's going to be really fun, and it's just kind of sparkly and pretty. I could even put it by the TV, and you know, I like to have these kind of things. I was even thinking this could be super cute in a bathroom. Like, why not put it in the bathroom? Put some you know, little accoutrements and stuff like that. These little knick-knack things, they kill me. I always buy these. I always have them. Then I always end up having way too many knickknacks, but this one I feel like is fun. I could put this in my office. I could put this on my desk at work. I mean, there's a lot of different fun things that you can do with this for sure. So I also kind of just loved how simple that was. And it's got that little kind of crystal ball kind of top to it, which makes it fun as well. So it's a small but mighty haul. And believe it or not, that is it. So what I'm going to be doing now is focusing on some DIYs, and we do have some good DIYs coming. And I'm kind of grouping them all together. So I'm doing a lot of DIYs. That way I can give you guys a lot of different video content. And Wendy and I are going to be doing some other shopping adventures together. She found a really cool closeout store that she wants to take me to. And there's some just fun areas, and I think we're going to explore, maybe even do some like thrift store collabs or different things like that. So more to come. Keep it rocking, keep it dancing, keep having fun, and I will talk to you guys soon. All right, take care. Bye.